Hello everyone, welcome today it's a special edition because this one, Medium Sudoku, will be my 1000th Medium Sudoku I will solve. Yes, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. It's Monday, February the 6th, 2023. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's Medium Sudoku. This will be my 1000th Medium Sudoku, a milestone. But in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have here 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Excuse me. Alright, Medium Sudoku number 5915. Alright, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. I've noticed the Medium Sudoku has has 26 printed digits, sometimes 27. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about a 5 in this row, 5 in a row below? So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8, cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Alright, we have a 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of them is the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Alright, then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Alright, 6. 6 and a 9. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers, this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the last column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and 9. Could be here, could be there. The 6 and 9, we have a pair. Alright, then 8. Yeah, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, no only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Then how about 2, 3? Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Well. Let me see. 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. 1. 1. Okay, 3 missing numbers in last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in the last column should be there. 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this last row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the row above, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the third column could be here, could be there. We see another 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 9, okay. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Alright, then Two missing numbers in this row. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column. Four numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Can I fill this yet? No. So one digit left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3. Alright. 2, 7, and 1. How about 9, 9, okay. 2 and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here on there. We see here 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Well. 5, 1. 2, 7, and 1. Come on. 1, 1. Okay. The 6. 6, no. 6, no. 6, no. The 2 then. 2 could be here. Well. 2, 1, and 7. 2 and 7. Come on. 4. We have a 4, 6. The 4 is already used. The 3, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 3. Alright. Well. 2 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first column. 1 in the second column. So the third column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the second row. So the first row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 now in the first row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. 1, the 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I will do my thousandth medium Sudoku. Yes, milestone. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.